And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to integrate Klarna Buy Now Pay Later on Shopify. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to integrate Klarna with your Shopify store, all you gotta do is simply sign up in your Klarna merchant account. So once you create a portal or once you create an account in Klarna Business, you need to simply type in your credentials and simply get logged into it. After doing this, in your Shopify admin, you need to go to settings and find payments. Now, once you switch to payments, you will find Klarna right under Shopify's payments or additional payment methods. Now, you need to simply activate it using your Klarna credentials. Once this is done, you can simply integrate Klarna Buy Now, Pay Later feature on Shopify. Alternatively, for more advanced features, you can also install the Klarna Payments app from Shopify App Store to create or connect your Klarna merchant account and configure settings. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.